In this video, I will dive deep into Magic Fit AI to see if this revolutionary workout tool is actually worth your time. When you first open the app, the artificial intelligence immediately builds a custom training plan based on your unique body metrics and equipment. The exercise demonstrations are high quality and the interface feels very intuitive and modern. However, no app is perfect. One downside is that the AI can sometimes suggest weights that feel a bit aggressive for true novices, and the free version is quite limited compared to the full subscription. On the other hand, the tracking features are incredibly detailed, allowing you to visualize your progress over weeks of training. If you are someone who needs a clear roadmap without hiring an expensive personal trainer, Magic Fit AI is a fantastic middle ground. It keeps you accountable and removes the guesswork from your daily routine. While it might not replace a human coach for professional athletes, it is a game changer for the average person looking to get fit.